up, PU2 champions? Only 26 days are left for your final board exams. And at this point of time, wasting even a single day can cost you real marks in your board exams. If you want to get 95% or above and want to score 290 plus in PCM, then you cannot study just randomly. You need to have a right strategy, right resources, and most important is discipline. But many of you lack in this. So to help you with this, I have started this 21-day challenge, a step-by-step daily plan that will help you to complete the entire PCM syllabus, revise it thoroughly, and most important, stay consistent with your preparation. And do not worry, I will be providing all the important resources that is required to get 95% in board exams, like important questions PDF, important MCQs, and so on. So if you are serious about your board's preparation and for your future, please watch this video till the end, where I will explain everything about this challenge, starting from how to join this, what are the resources you will be getting, how you will be getting, how this challenge will work, and so on and so on. So let's get started and understand this challenge in detail. So as I told you, only 25 to 26 days are left for your final board exams. Time is very limited. Random study will not work, and smart revision is the only gateway to give you good marks in your board exams. And each day is very important. Even if you waste a single day, that can lead you to lose marks in your board exams. So you need to be consistent for the next 25 days, whatever is left for your final board exams, to get a very good mark. So that is where this challenge will help you in every aspect. Okay, so as I told you, once again, I'll just tell you why I found this need to launch this challenge. So if you want to score 95% in your board exams, 290 plus in PCM, and a top KCT rank, then this challenge will help you to achieve all these goals. Then you will need a proper daily plan, right questions to practice, and discipline and consistency. And that is where this challenge will help you to do your preparation in the right and best possible way. Now, what is the challenge timeline? So the challenge will start from 2nd February 2026 and will end on 22nd February 2026. So the total number of days here is 21, right? And by the end of this 21 days, your entire PCM syllabus will be completed thoroughly. You would have revised them thoroughly. You would have practiced important questions from all these chapters. And most important thing, you would have learned to prepare consistently, putting all your efforts every day by this challenge. So every day will be a day of revision, practice, and progress. Day by day, you will see at the end of this challenge, you have reached to a very good level for your exam. Your preparation have improved to multiple times, and you will be confident about your exam. Now, who should join this challenge, right? The question may be in many of your minds that, is this challenge right for me? So I'll be telling you certain goals. Like if any one of this is your goal, then you are a definite, you need to join this challenge. So if you want to revise the full PCM syllabus, then this challenge is a big yes. If you want to target 95% or above in your board exams, then this challenge is a big yes. If you are an KCT aspirant and top 1000 rank, because 50% weightage will be there from PCM, then this challenge is a big yes again. And if you lack consistency and discipline, you are like confused what to study. Every day you feel that your syllabus is done, but you don't know what to revise, how to start. There is full chaotic in your preparation, then definitely this challenge will give you a proper guidance, a proper strategy, a proper plan to move ahead for the next 25 days, so that for the next 21 days, so that your entire preparation is now on the right track. So now let's discuss about the challenge schedule. What is this challenge about and how it will go? So every day what will happen at 8 a.m. in the morning, 2 chapters will be allotted to you for revision. Okay, these 2 chapters will be from physics, chemistry, and maths. Like not each, like one physics, one chemistry, someday one chemistry, one math, someday one physics, one math, like that. In total, 2 chapters will be allotted to you. Okay. Now, on the same day at 8 a.m., one PDF of important questions, most important questions. These are the questions that have been taken from PYQs, from question bank, that have been repeated through many years. This question list and important MCQs PDF will be given to you for practice. Okay, these are this list of chapters, and this important questions PDF will be provided to you at 8 a.m. in the morning, in the starting of the day. Now, what you need to do, you need to revise the concepts of the given chapters, and once you have completed the revision, you have to solve the important question PDF and MCQs from the PDF that we have provided to you. Clear? Now, I'll be telling you the schedule also. So see, there are some YouTube videos for this also. On this channel, there will be videos coming for this challenge as well. So days without chemistry, the days when you have physics and maths chapter, on those days at 8 a.m., one most important question videos will be there. And at 9 a.m., suppose this is for subject 1, it can be physics or maths. And at 9 a.m., there will be the most important question video of the subject 2. Okay, so 2 videos of important questions plus their PDFs also you will get and videos also you will get. Clear? Now, days with chemistry plus subject 2. This subject 2 can be either physics or maths, right? So on that day, since I'm a chemistry teacher, obviously I'll be able to help you better and in a more way for chemistry. So on that day at 8 a.m., you will be getting the MIQs, that is most important question video of the subject 2, which can be either physics or maths. Then at 9 a.m., you will get quick revision video of the chemistry chapter, where you will get on our YouTube channel only, okay, this channel. So you will be able to revise the whole concept in 30 to 40 minutes, and that video will be there for the chemistry chapter, which is allotted for that particular day. After that at 2 p.m., you will get the MIQ plus solution video for the chemistry chapter, okay. So I will be giving you, for example, today is the chemical kinetics chapter. So at 9 a.m. you will be getting the concept video. At 2 p.m. you will be getting the most important question video with its solution. Okay, you don't have to refer to any other source for solution. In the video itself, solution will be provided. Then at 6 p.m. evening, you will be getting the MCQ video for that chemistry chapter. Okay, almost 100 plus MCQs we will try to solve from a particular chapter so that you can practice it better. So MCQ video will be there at 6 p.m. This, please remember, the quick revision video, the MIQ video with solution, and the MCQ video is only for the chemistry chapters. Okay, for other subjects you will only get the most important questions video. Okay, there will be no solution. Question videos, list of questions will be provided to you. Okay. Now coming to what is your task daily now, what you need to do. Okay, so your daily task is to revise the given chapters. How will you check the list of chapters? That also I'll be telling you. I have created a dedicated page for that. You have to go to visit, like you have to visit that page daily and you have to check the chapters that is allotted. And also I'll be posting the chapters name on our community post. Okay, you can go and check there as well. Okay, I'll tell you exact how to go to the page at the end. Next, you have to watch the revision videos. If there is chemistry on that day, then you will get. Otherwise, you have to revise it from your NCERT book and short notes. Next, you have to solve the important questions PDF. This questions PDF, as I told you, will be provided at, let me change the color. Yes, will be provided at 8 a.m. Okay. Next, after that, MCQ PDF will also be provided at 8 a.m. That also you need to solve. Okay, and every day you need to be consistent with your preparation. Every day morning you need to check the chapters that is allotted to you. You have to download the PDFs that is provided to you. Then you need to revise the entire chapter, and then you need to solve those questions, solve those MCQs. And by this, if you continue this for 21 days, at the end of the 21 day, your entire PCM syllabus will be done. That is planned accordingly. Okay, and one very important, no skipping days are allowed. Our days are, we have very limited time, and as I told you, wasting a single day is also not affordable at this point of time. So you need to follow this challenge every day at any cost. Okay, now what all resources I will be providing, I have already explained. Let me just brief it once again. So full syllabus revision planner for 21 days. You will get the entire plan, what all chapters are planned. Next, daily homework chapter. So every day at 8 a.m. I will be allotting you two chapters that you need to revise. Next, important questions and MCQs PDF I'll give you. Chemistry revision video plus MIQ, that is most important question video with solution I'll be giving you. This will be on our YouTube channel. And important chemistry MCQ videos with solutions will also be there on our YouTube channel. And important question videos, okay, for all the 3 subjects, that is physics, chemistry is also already I have told you, physics and maths will also be coming up. Okay, so videos will be there on our YouTube channel. Next, all the resources will be board oriented and KCT oriented. You don't have to worry that whether I will be getting like similar questions will be asked in the boards or not. You don't have to take that tension at all, because these questions are sourced from PYQs, from a question bank, the best resources that are possible. I have done thorough research to find out the most important questions. Okay, after that, what is the benefit of joining this challenge? There are so many, but I'll list some of them. Strong revision of your PCM. Okay, a proper planned revision will be done. PCM, why I'm focusing on PCM? Because these 3 subjects will decide your KCT rank as well, right? So please give priority to these 3 subjects first. It will boost your confidence when you have solved the most important questions of all the chapters. You have revised them so thoroughly. There is definitely your confidence will increase, you will be more prepared for the exam, and you will perform well. Clear all your concepts. Since you are revising that in chemistry, I am teaching you once again, so all your concepts will be clear. Exam oriented practice you will do. You will not be wasting time in solving any random questions. I will be giving you the most important question and you need to just solve those questions. Okay. And better time management. All the three subjects has almost 37 chapters, and you will be able to manage your time properly with these chapters in this 21 days. And next important, higher marks will definitely be guaranteed. Whatever stage at this point of time you are, you will definitely improve from that if you follow this challenge, right? Next, there are some discipline rules that you need to follow to complete this challenge. Okay, first very important rule, no skipping days. Okay, as I told you, only 26 days are left. We are very we have lack of time, so we need to utilize this time effectively and strategically. So no skipping of days are allowed. No backlogs. Whatever questions have been given today, you need to solve that at any cost. Like, you cannot just think that okay, 10 questions I'll solve tomorrow. No, because next day there are other challenges, other subjects, right? So you need to sit and do it on the same day. Next, follow daily plan strictly. Whatever chapters are given, you need to do, you need to follow. If do not change the plan, because I have made the plan in such a way those high weightage chapters are kept first and then the low weightage chapters. So please do not mess with the plan, follow it strictly and practice every day. Okay, every 21 day, for the next 21 day, every day you need to put your 100% efforts, and that consistency that you are giving now for the next 21 days will show the result in your board exams, and I can guarantee you that, right? Next, see, this 21 days that I have started this challenge is something that is very important to help you to stay focused, stay consistent, to prepare for your exam right in a right way. Okay, do not get demotivated if your pre-board exams are not well, if you haven't scored well before. But if you use this last 21 days in the way that I have planned, in the way that I have suggested, that will definitely help you to get your dream score, to get a very good marks in PCM, and that will ultimately lead to a good marks in your KC, good rank in your KCT 2026 as well, right? So now the most important question that might be in your everybody's mind, that how to join this challenge. Okay, what we have to do. So for your this challenge would be exciting, would be easy to use, I have started a dedicated page for that. Okay, the link of that page will be there in the description section. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to visit that link every day in the morning. Okay, at 8 a.m. you will be seeing the chapters that has to be done on that day. You will be seeing for that particular day what are the chapters you need to complete. Okay, 2 chapters only will be given. Okay, it can be either physics chemistry, chemistry maths, or maths physics. Okay, so 2 chapters will be given, you have to check that. After that, in that same page only, you will be getting resources. What resources? Important question PDF and important MCQs PDF. Okay, 2 resources will be there, you have to check that and you have to download it. Okay, after that, once you're done, this should be your daily routine for at 8 a.m. for the next 21 days. Once you have seen what all chapters you need to complete, you have downloaded the PDF of important questions and important MCQs. After that, you need to go and revise those chapters. Okay, do the complete revision, revise all important concepts, definitions, formulae, everything, and then just open the PDF and try to solve these questions now. Okay, in chemistry, definitely there will be more benefit. I will be giving you the quick revision video. If you don't have any source to revise, you can watch that video. Okay, for quick revision. I will also be giving you the solutions of the most important questions that I have given you, and at the end of in the evening I'll be also giving you the MCQs videos. Now all these 3 will be available in our YouTube channel. Okay, so every day you need to check the link, and then you have to see the chapters that you have to complete, download the PDF, revise it, and then solve questions, right? This is the basic process. The link is there in the description section. I have created a dedicated page for all of you, so please go and visit and save this link. Okay, you need to save it so that you can visit it again and again. Do not forget. Okay, and once you are ready to accept this challenge, you think that this challenge will will play a very important role in your preparation, do not forget to comment down in this video, ma'am, challenge accepted. Okay, please put down this comment so that I can see your dedication, your how much you are hungry to get 95% in your board exams. Okay, I am full ready with all my efforts, with everything I have put, but yes, your dedication, your commitment is very important. So please let me know in the comment section, ma'am, challenge accepted. So, yes, my dear children, this was all about the challenge, and I hope all of you will follow it, complete it with full dedication, hard work, and get good marks in your board exams. Once again, thank you so much. All the best. And if you have any doubts regarding the challenge, do not worry. Let me know in the comment section. I will address all your doubts. Okay. Once again, I just want to repeat, the link is there in the description section. Go there, click on the link, visit the page, and from tomorrow, 8 a.m., you will be able to start the challenge. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.